Now we are going to see divisions of fraction. So we have to follow some rules of division and fraction. What are the rules we are going to see? So first one, step 1, whole number as a fraction. So you have to convert the whole number. Step 1, you have to convert the whole number as a fraction. That is step 1. Second one is find the reciprocal of the divisor. So we have to find the divisor. They have given the divisor already in the sum. So you have to find which is the divisor. Then after that you have to reciprocate the divisor. That is called the second step. Third step, step 3, multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. So you have to multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. So first you will find out the divisor. After that you have to make it as or convert as a multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the divisor. After that you have to step 3, you have to multiply dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Then fourth step, final answer you will get it. You have to make the answer, you have to make the result as a lowest term. As much as possible you have to make it as a lowest term. So I'll repeat the 4 steps again. So it's the rule of the divisions of fraction. So don't forget the rules and regulation. Otherwise definitely you will do a lot of mistakes in division of fraction. First one, whole number. Yeah, they have given the whole number, so you have to convert the whole number as a fraction. Step 1. Step 2, you have to find the divisor, then you have to make it as a reciprocal of the divisor. Third step, multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. And fourth step, you will get the answer. The final answer will become as a lowest term. We will make it as a lowest term as much as possible. So I'm going to solve the sums. Divide 6 by 7 divided by 3. Say I have told you 6 by 7 is a what? Fraction. Is divided by 3. 3 is a whole number. If I solve the sum, you will understand the rules very clearly in the sum. First question, 6 by 7 is a fraction divided by 3. So 6 by 7 is what? It's a fraction. 3 is a whole number. So I have already told you 6 by 7 you write as it is. Then divided by 3. Divided by what? Divided by 3. So 3 is a whole number. You have to convert the whole number as a fraction. So 3 divided by 1. So if you don't have denominator, I have told you have to consider 1 as a denominator. So 3 divided by 1. The next step, what you are going to do? So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So find the divisor and make it as a what? Reciprocal of the divisor. 3 by 1 means 1 by 3. That is upside down, 1 by 3. So now you are going to multiply the what? Dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiply this. So 6 into 1, 7 into 3. Now I am going to cross the number. So 3 2s are 6. So 2 into 1, 2 divided by 7. This is the answer for the question. But they said what? You have to whatever the answer you get, you have to make it as a lowest term. So this is the answer for the question, that is 2 by 7. You can't make this term as a lowest term, because y means 2 is a what? Even number and 7 is a odd number. Hereafter you can't take any what? Common divisor. You can't take any common divisor for these fractions. So for this fraction, so the answer is 2 by 7. So you can't make this term as a lowest term. You can't make this term as a simplified term. Hereafter you can't simplify the sum. So this is the right answer for the question. Okay. So because you can't get the common divisor for the both numerator as well as the denominator. So the answer is 2 by 7 is the right answer for this question. I think so. I've told you already. First is a fraction. I'll repeat the sum again. 6 by 7 divided by 3. 6 by 7 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. That you know. I think so that's clear for you. Next one, 6 by 7 is a fraction divided by 3. 3 means it is a whole number. So first step you have to what? Convert the whole number as a what? Fraction. So convert the whole number as a fraction. 3 is a whole number. So you can't directly divide the number. So what you are going to do? 3 means you have to divide by 1. You don't have denominator, so you have to consider 1 as a denominator. So 3 divided by 1, now it becomes a fraction. So first step is over. Next 6 by 7, This is the dividend, and reciprocal of the 3 is 1 by 3. 3 by 1 is a divisor. 3 by 1 is the divisor. You have to make the divisor as a reciprocal of the divisor. So 3 by 1 upside down means what you will get? 1 by 3. That is a reciprocal. This is a dividend and this is a what? Divisor, reciprocal of the divisor. Now you have to multiply both. That is step 3. So 6 into 1 divided by 7 into 3. I just cross by 3. I cross 3 and 6. So 3 2s are 6. So here 3 3s are 3 divided by 1, you can get 3 divided by 3, you can get 1. 6 divided by 3, you can get 2. So 2 into 1, you can get 2. 7 into 1, you can get 7. So 2 by 7 is the answer. But finally, you have to make this term as a lowest term. But here, you can't make it as a lowest term. This is a very lowest number. So the lowest fraction. So 2 by 7 is the perfect answer for this question. Second sum. 3 by 8 divided by 8. Yes. So 3 by 8 is a fraction. Next, I have to make the whole number as a what? Fraction. So 8 by 1. Consider 1 as a denominator because there is no denominator. If they didn't give the denominator, you have to assume 1 as a denominator. So 8 divided by 1. So 3 by 8, and after that this is the dividend and this is a divisor. You will find out what? Find the what? Divisor as a reciprocal of the divisor. So you have to write 8 by 1 means 1 by 8. It's a reciprocal. So after that, what you're going to do? You have to multiply the dividend and the what? You have to multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. So 3 into 1, you can get 3. So here 8 into 8, you can get what? 64. 3 by 64. This is the right answer. So here also 64 you can't. So this is what? Odd number, and this is the even number. So you can't make this term as a lowest term because you can't simplify hereafter. The answer is 3 by 64. So 3 by 8 divided by 8. This is a fraction. This is a whole number. So I convert the what? Whole number as a fraction. So 8 divided by 1. It becomes as a fraction because they didn't give the what? Denominator. So I assume 1 as a denominator. 8 by 1. So 3 by 8 so was a what? Dividend, and 8 by 1 you have to reciprocal it. You have to what? You have to make the divisor as a what? Reciprocal divisor. That is 1 by 8. That is 8 by 1 means upside down. If you do what means multiply, if you multiply means 1 by 8 will come. So 3 into 1 and 8 into 8. 3 into 1 you can get 3 and 8 into 8 you can get 64. So the answer is 3 by 64. Next, third sum, that is 3 by 7 divided by 21. So this is a fraction and this is a whole number. So 3 by 7 divided by, so 21 is a whole number. After that it becomes as a fraction divided by 1 because there is no denominator. I'll consider 1 as a denominator. So 3 by 7 into what? 1 by 21, that is a reciprocal of the divisor. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. The next step, I have to multiply 3 into 1 divided by 7 into 21. So I cross the number. 3 divided by 3 you can get 1. 21 is divided by 3 you can get what? 7. The answer is 1 into 1, 1. 7 into 7 you can get 49. So 1 divided by 49 is the right answer for the question. Hereafter you can't what? Simplify the term. So answer is 1 by 49. Next sum, fourth sum, that is 4 by 5 divided by 10. So it's a fraction, it's a whole number. So 4 by 5 as it is I will write. Next divided by 10 becomes it is a whole number, so it becomes a fraction. So 10 divided by 1, now it becomes a fraction. So 4 by 5 into reciprocate the number 1 by 10. So after that I have to multiply. This is a dividend, this is the reciprocal of the divisor. So multiply the number. 4 into 1 4, 5, 4 into 1, after that 5 into 10. So I have to cancel the number. If I take if I divide by 2, 2 2s are 4. If I divide by 2 I will get 5. So what is the answer? 2 into 1 2, 5 into 5 I will get what? 25. So answer is 2 by 25 is the answer. So hereafter you can't simplify this term. So answer is 2 by 25. So even you can do like this, 4 by 5 into 1 by 10 directly. If I consider 2 means if I divide by 2 you can get 2. Here also divided by 2 you can get 5. So 1 into 2, 2, 5 5 is a 25. This also right. The same, but only thing I have combined together everything. Here I just simply cross this out.